Soil depletion already is a huge issue in our world. In 2050, it'll reach catastrophic levels. High-tech enclosed facilities will be the option, causing an enormous shift on how we grow food. What are going to be the biggest issues with produce in 2050? The profit margins are going to be good, very lucrative, so the food will be around. It will be for sale. The real issue is if you will be able to afford them. Small-scale producers will be pushed to the side. The youth will have very little interest in small-scale gardening. These gardeners will have to fight for their life. They will have the water rights removed, and the health department will be after them, controlling their produce. Big Agri will use their force and their finances to control and monopolize the production of produce. Factory-made, good-looking food will become the norm. Get used to it. The nutritional value of this type of produce will never be disclosed. The use of mysterious chemicals will be a necessity. The nutrient-rich grown food and soil will be traded on the black market. Growers will have a high-tech relationship with their produce. Enclosed, controlled environments maximizing yields and preventing crop failures. Science and technology will be used aggressively to grow our food. Creating produce will become a high-tech job. Large-scale operations will be the norm. Conveyor belt botany will be the growing method of choice. Science controls the desired traits of what is to be grown. Factories void of humans and outside influences will be the standard. Millions of plants simultaneously produced for profit. The biggest issue with artificial produce is the taste. Flavor replacement or flavor boosting will be a priority. This will be the focus in 2050, adding flavors back into synthetic produce. These flavors will be genetically added. Bacon-flavored tomatoes, flavor-induced synthetic produce will be the standard. This will be the next big trend in growing food. Sour cream cucumbers, hickory smoked broccoli. All these things will be an option in the future, making the taste very different. Hopefully, all your vegetables will come in your favorite potato chip flavors. If food prices continue to skyrocket, then produce will be available in 2050. Profitability will secure the supply of food. The real question is, what will this artificial generated food do to our health and our sterility? Ingenuity will provide profits, offering a different type of produce in 2050. The only question that remains is, will the children of 2050 even know what an apricot is supposed to taste